Simpson Motors continues to operate on the cutting edge of technology. With the installation of the state-of-the-art i5000 automated car wash system, the automotive workshop now offers this high-quality service in a remarkable time. This powerful and groundbreaking apparatus is the latest innovation in touchless car wash technology, which utilizes controlled jets of water and air rather than brushes or abrasives. The pioneering design has the capacity to clean up to 100 vehicles daily, quickly, efficiently, and safely. The system takes vehicles through a multi-stage cleaning process, which lasts about 5 minutes. First stage is wheel blasting, which starts on the wheels and running boards. Then there is a 2-stage soap application, covering the entire vehicle. This is followed by a thorough rinse stage. A clear coat protector is then applied. Then there is a spot-free rinse. And finally, blow drying. The touchless feature allows the entire process to be completed without any moving parts coming into contact with your vehicle, minimizing the likelihood of damage without sacrificing quality. The process uses primarily a combination of collected rain and recycled water, treated by reverse osmosis to remove lime and particulates. This ensures a spot-free result. The automated car wash is just one part of our vehicle care sequence. When you book your next service, you can see the results for yourself.